Hi everyone, long time no see. So I am back with another unboxing video, and this time I'm having this Dior makeup kit. So I've been using this makeup kit since really long. So I exhausted the old one, bought a new one, so just thought of unboxing it and sharing with you all. This is a very pretty and very useful makeup kit. It's compact, lightweight, so it's just perfect for someone who does not want to carry bulky makeup kits. So you can just carry this in your handbag also. I do it very often. Whenever I travel, I just rely on this small little beautiful Dior makeup kit. So this makeup kit has a mirror obviously and it has 6 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 4 lip colors and a compact foundation. It also comes with 3 brushes that can help you put on your makeup. It is lightweight, compact, easily fits into the handbag also. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will put the link to buy this authentic Dior makeup kit in the description box below. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.